Been pulled up by the United States government panel on the Foreign Affairs for its reportage on the terror attack in the Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam, in which 26 people, including a foreign national, were shot down, and after being asked to prove their allegiance to Islam, they were killed. Also, the attack, for which a Pakistani-based terror group, that is the Resistance Front, an offshoot of the banned Lashkar-e-Taiba, claimed responsibility, was reported by the New York Times as a militant attack. An introduction to the report also said that it was the Prime Minister Narendra Modi who called the shooting a terror attack. NYC called out over the terror reportage. Also, the Foreign Affairs Committee on the United States government took to the social media to publicly call out the New York Times article over its news report, describing it as being removed from reality. The NYT headlines read that at least 24 tourists gunned down by the militants in Kashmir. This was a terrorist attack, plain and simple, noted the United States government, adding that whatever it's India or Israel, when it comes down to terrorism, the NYT is removed from the reality. The Post also shared a photo with the correction made on the NYT's behalf, saying, "Hey NYT, we fixed it for you." Militancy usually refer to an armed rebellion from within a state in order to achieve a political or social outcome, whereas terrorism has an external context where a calculated use of violence created a climate of fear in particular geography in order to wage asymmetrical warfare against a foreign nation to destabilize the region towards a larger intent or objective. India, in a statement on Wednesday, said that a top-level meeting on the security chaired by the Prime Minister noted in the briefing to the Cabinet Committee on Security that the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack were brought out and will also be given justice. It was noted that the attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and a steady progress towards the economic growth and development.